Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Indigo.
Indigo. So my name is Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Yes.
Very nice. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Oh, wow. Lovely.
Yes.
I'm so happy to talk to you today. I
Oh.
love India.
Where are you from?
I'm from England, but I live in
Oh.
Africa.
Okay. So
Yes.
have you ever visited in India?
No, my husband and I wanted to go about 2 years ago,
Okay.
but our child was very small.
Oh,
So we said, oh, we'll wait. And then the pandemic came.
okay. You are
Yes.
married, right?
Yes, I'm married.
How
Which
long?
part? 12 years.
Oh, 12 years.
Yeah. And you? Are you married?
No.
Okay. So which part of India do you live in?
Jammu and Kashmir. You know?
Is it in the north or the south?
North.
North of India. So
Yes.
I had an art teacher who was from Calcutta.
Oh, you?
My art teacher.
Okay. Your art teacher.
Yes, my art teacher was from Calcutta. Is that near or?
Kolkata. Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, so what is your main language that you speak?
Urdu. Hindi and Urdu.
And Urdu. Very
Yeah,
nice.
you know Urdu?
Yes, I've heard of it.
Yeah, Punjabi. You know?
Yes.
Yeah. I
Very
speak
interesting.
Urdu.
Okay. And why do you want to learn English?
Mm, actually, I love English.
You have a very good accent.
Yeah, I want to. I want to learn English because English is very important for
Yes.
every person at this
Yes,
time.
it's a international language.
Yes.
Mm.
So I joined the Cambly last 1 week. So just
So
I'm
we say 1 week ago.
yes 1 week ago.
Mm-hmm.
So just I am mostly focusing in English. Just I
Very
read
nice.
just so I am reading books, a lot of books, and
Oh,
uh,
good.
yeah, I listen Cambly conversation, and
Yes.
I listen BBC.
News. Mm-hmm.
Yes, so
Very good.
yeah,
That's one of the best ways to learn English is by reading. I'm very pleased that you're reading.
yeah,
I believe in reading books. I think that books even helped me as an English speaker to become very fluent.
yeah. You you give me some tips about English. How um, uh,
Good.
how
So can
learn
you? You can
English?
say, can you?
Yeah. How learn English? Yeah.
Yeah. So you know what we can do? If you would like to go through a lesson, then you can book me for another class.
Yeah.
I'll send you a link to my classes, and then we can always have a lesson together.
Okay.
Yes, you can choose a Cambly lesson, any lesson that you're interested in, and then we can do the lesson together.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
But do you have any questions now that you would like to ask about English?
mm, let me think. No, just I'm
But
not prepared any question.
no, it's fine. It's fine. Even just talking, it's good.
Yeah. So how old
Yeah.
are you?
Oh, I'm old. I feel old. I'm 38.
No, you look young. I guess
I'm 2
you
years to.
I guess you are 30 or 35, right?
Oh, okay, that's not bad. I'm 38.
Oh, 38.
Yeah, I'm close to 40.
So
And yourself?
I am 17 years old.
Wow, you're so
Uh,
mature.
yes.
Yeah. And do you
So
live with your parents?
yes, I live my family. So
Oh, that's nice.
yes, I have two elder brother and one elder sister.
Oh, you're the youngest.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very special. So
Yeah.
do you love having a big family?
Yes.
What is your favorite thing that you like to do as a family?
Uh, I don't know.
Do
So
you like
actually,
to
yeah, go ahead.
in India, do you have like big family festivals where you all get
Yeah,
together
Eid, you know?
and
Eid.
eat? Yeah.
Yes. You
Do
know
you
Eid?
like, yes, do you like different types of food, or what are you interested in? What are your
Yeah.
hobbies?
Hobbies.
Yeah,
Uh,
do you know that word? Hobbies.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
In my free time,
Yes, in your free time, exactly.
uh, actually, I like reading books and I take a lot of rest.
That's good. That will help you grow.
Yes. And
What
your
kind of
hobbies?
books?
Yeah.
Oh, I love painting
Oh, me too.
and yeah.
Yes.
Do you like painting with watercolor or oils?
Actually, I use sketch color,
Oh,
sketch pen.
good. Yes.
Yes. You?
I'm not so good at drawing. I haven't had much practice.
Okay.
When I was I actually did this drawing when I was 17, but I haven't done anything.
Wow, very nice. So beautiful.
But now I'm no good. I'm useless now.
No. Very
I just
beautiful
like to
painting.
paint. Yeah. It was a long time ago. Now with a child, I don't have time. So I like to cook and sew clothes. I like making clothes.
Okay. So,
Yeah. What kind of books do you like? Sahiba?
mostly religious books and
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Are you Hindu?
no, Muslim.
Oh, you're Muslim. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I should have guessed.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you have
Yes,
the
I'm
religion.
Christian.
Oh, Christian. I know Christian.
Yes. Yes. I'm Christian religion. Yeah.
Okay.
So how is the pandemic in your city? Can you move around, or do you have to stay at home? Are you quarantined?
Yeah, I stay at home.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and there is the coronavirus right now.
Yes.
Lockdown.
Lockdown. Oh, so you're still in lockdown in your city.
Oh, so it's bad time.
Yes, it makes it difficult. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was so nice to talk to you,
Okay.
Sahiba, and I want to talk to you more.
Okay.
I have a lot of things I want to ask you. So maybe next time we can
Next
talk
time.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we can talk about India. You must tell me what is the best thing that you love about India.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sahiba. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay. Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.